Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan, and today, we are going to discuss the foundation of one of the most important branches of law in India, Indian civil law. Whether you are a law student, legal professional, or someone seeking to understand the law, this video will guide you through the basic concepts of civil law in India. Now let's begin with what is civil law. Civil law is primarily concerned with resolving disputes between individuals or organizations. It deals with cases involving contracts, property, family disputes, inheritance, and torts, among others. Unlike criminal law, where the state prosecutes offenses against the public, civil law addresses the legal rights and obligations between private parties. Now, we will understand the historical development of civil law. The foundations of Indian civil law are rooted in ancient texts like Manusmriti and other codified laws. However, the modern civil law system in India is largely based on British common law, introduced during the colonial period. After independence, India adopted a mixed legal system, incorporating aspects of English common law and Indian customs. Now, we will discuss the key sources of civil law in India. Bharatiya Nagrik Sanhita, 2023, replacing the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908. This act streamlines the procedures for filing and resolving civil disputes with modernized and simplified processes. Indian Contract Act, 1872, which governs agreements and contracts in India. Bharatiya Saksha Bill, 2023, replacing the Indian Evidence Act, 1872. This modernized legislation governs the admissibility and relevancy of evidence in both civil and criminal cases, introducing provisions for digital and electronic evidence to keep pace with technological advancements. Indian Succession Act, 1925, which deals with inheritance and the distribution of property. Specific Relief Act, 1963. This act governs the enforcement of civil rights through specific reliefs, like injunctions or specific performance. Now, we will understand the importance of civil law, the foundation of justice and societal harmony. Civil law ensures that individuals and organizations can resolve their disputes peacefully through legal channels, rather than resorting to violence or retaliation. It provides mechanisms to address grievances related to contracts, property, inheritance, and personal rights, ensuring justice in everyday life. Civil law promotes social harmony by offering a clear path to resolving conflicts. Now, we will reveal the difference between civil law and criminal law, justice for individuals versus society. While criminal law is concerned with punishing offenses against society, for example, theft, assault, murder, civil law focuses on compensating individuals who have been wronged. In criminal cases, the state is the plaintiff, but in civil cases, the aggrieved party files the case. The burden of proof in criminal law is beyond a reasonable doubt, whereas in civil law, it is based on a preponderance of evidence. Now, we will go through a step-by-step guide on how civil cases are handled in the legal system. Civil cases in India typically begin with the filing of a plaint, a formal complaint, in a civil court. The court examines the case based on evidence presented by both parties. The judge delivers a judgment that may involve awarding compensation, issuing an injunction, or mandating a specific performance. Appeals can be made to higher courts if the parties are dissatisfied with the verdict. Now, we will look at the common challenges in civil law and how they impact justice. One of the primary challenges in the civil law system is the backlog of cases, which can lead to delays in delivering justice. Another issue is the lack of awareness among the general public about their civil rights and how to enforce them. However, reforms like the introduction of fast-track courts and efforts to streamline judicial processes, including the implementation of Bharatiya Nagrik Sanhita, are gradually addressing these concerns. In conclusion, we can see that civil law plays a crucial role in maintaining order and fairness in society by providing a legal framework for resolving disputes between individuals and entities. Whether it's a contract dispute or a property issue, understanding civil law is essential for navigating our legal system. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more legal insights. Let me know in the comments if there are specific topics related to civil law or any other area of law you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video soon.